Hey there guys, let me take these earplugs out. Okay. Hey there guys, welcome to today's video. This video is one I have not seen done on YouTube yet, but I didn't look for it. But what I have is this stadium being held down by my super weighted training Crocs. You know, if you're a real Beyblader, you have them. So what I've got is this giant fan right here, and this stadium, which is being weighed down by these bad boys, so that this stadium doesn't fly away. These Beyblades are going to be battling on this stadium, and they're going to have a lot of wind pushing on them, and this video is going to be very loud, so after you hear it start, probably turn your volume down by half, because I'm not going to even be saying anything. I might scream, I don't know. But yeah, let's just take a look at the Beyblades real quick. All of these are super heavy or have some kind of wind theme about them. So we have Tempest Wyvern. This is its 7-glaive gyro. Sword Valkyrie. And it's going to be rocking the D69 Vortex Hunter tip. Victory Excalibur 7 Extreme. Valkyrie and Excalibur have rubber tips, so they stay on the stadium better. That's the logic. Kerbeus is just super heavy. I went for more of like a Leon kind of vibe, so I went with Flow 11 Press. And Kerbeus, Bushidarashi, 0 Meteor Destroy, and then I gave Longinus, whatever this is, Black Press. Stole that Black Press from my little cousin. I didn't steal it. I made a modified tip called Fracture, which I plan on making a second one because the first one wasn't that good, and I gave it to him for that tip. Zeus. This is a special variant Zeus. I don't like the Takara Tomy Beyblades, but I'm going to start getting more of them. Zeus, and then that's going to be a 10 Cross and Orbit. And this is going to be Kronos. 7 Specialty Cross and Point or Arrow, whatever I decide to call this. Yeah, so I'm going to be putting in my earplugs and putting on my specialty quality blader hockey mask. There we go. Okay, your boy's back. So I took a little break because this fan's literally too strong and kept blowing the Beyblades off. So I've moved the fan back a couple of feet. By that I mean 2 feet. And I've reset all the Beyblades. I've changed who's fighting against who. Some fair fights. Also, this video caused me to draw blood, so I hope you're happy. Okay, the things I do for YouTube. And the wind actually looks like it's for real starting to blow, so let's just hurry this up. Okay, starting it up.